Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So any system of yoga, either Hatha Yoga, Jnana Yoga or Karma Yoga is in the lowest standard, and above all, Bhakti Yoga. Then when you come to the Bhakti Yoga, that is the perfection of life. Bhakti Yogena Manasa Sammak Pranihite Amale. Bhakti Yogena Amala, the mind becomes clean. Cheta Darpana Marjanam, that is the direct effect of Bhakti Yoga, because the mind is now contaminated and under the creation of senses and sense activities, we are making millions and trillions of ideas and become entangled in that idea. We have to accept millions and trillions of body and then go on in the cycle of birth, death, old age and disease. This is implication. So, purify the mind. That is the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Cheta Darpana Marjanam Bhava Mahadavagni Vidbhapam. When our mind is clean, this is Mahadavagni, this expansion of mental ideas in thousands and millions, that is Bhava Mahadavagni. Bhava Mahadavagni. So it is the duty of Guru to get out the disciple from the Bhava Mahadavagni. Samsara dava nalarila loka tranaya karunya ghanaganatam. Karunya, karuna. So, what is the Guru? Guru has received the karunya. Karunya means just like the cloud has received water from the sea. Similarly, a Guru, spiritual master, receives the cloud of mercy from the ocean of kindness of Krishna. Ghanaghanattam. And it is only the cloud that can extinguish the forest fire. Samsara. No other watering system will be helpful. If there is fire in the forest, your fire brigade or buckets of water will not help. It is impossible. Neither you can go there, neither you can render any service by your fire brigade and bucket. Then how the fire can be extinguished? Now, ghana ghanattam, if there is cloud in the sky and if there is rainfall, then the expansive forest fire can immediately be extinguished. So, that cloud is supposed to be the spiritual master. He pours water. He pours water. Savan kirtan jale karaye sechon. What is that water? The water is this, Savan kirtan. Bhava Mahadavagni, the fire, the forest fire of material existence is blazing continually. So, you have to extinguish it by the rainfall from cloud, and that rainfall means Savan Kirtan. Savan means hearing and Kirtan means chanting. This is the only way. Savan Kirtan jale karaye sechon. Krishna, Krishna Krishna,